Okay, so I have my journal here and I have excellent news. I just looked at the sales insights from the past year, comparing March of 2023 to March of 2024. And the business, Tiffy G writes, is seeing a 20% sales increase. That's one fifth more sales than we saw in 2023. And right now, I also acknowledge that a lot of entrepreneurs in this season aren't seeing that, and people are saying, hey, my sales are decreasing right now. What do I do? And so in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly step by step what you do, just based on my own data and analytics. And so you can take that and run with it. You can take it, apply it to your business, and see how you can work these marketing strategies into your business and to your firm. Because when you're working with B2B clients, or even if you're B2C and you have an e-commerce product that is luxury or high-end, hundreds of dollars, right, a luxury product, then you need to take these things into consideration, because it's not that there's not money in the market anymore. The money is just shifted, and so different people have resources and they spend them in a different way. But we're gonna just look at how these buyers are thinking, okay? And so I have my notes here, if you can see it. I'm gonna just read them to you. So we know that business regularly has ebbs and flows. Maybe your most profitable year, you may be going down a little bit, right? That's natural. Let's be okay with that. That's okay. Okay. Now you want to look into having yearly upsells, where you're working with previous clients. Once you get to an established point in business, I've been in business for 8 years now. Once you get to an established point, you're going to realize that certain clients, and usually with mine, it's about a time span of a year, maybe a year and a half. These clients will come back and request more offers and say, you know what, let's actually do more because I had this win, so let's invest more into the marketing, okay? And so for me, it's usually like website copy. My clients usually come to me for an email welcome sequence. That's number one. They usually come for that. And then they usually keep coming back if they need a landing page, a sales page, blogs, content like that. And so when I'm talking about marketing on here, I'm not pushing blogs. I'm not pushing social media strategy. I'm not pushing website copy as much. Sometimes I talk about websites, but I'm pushing email marketing, right? Because that's what I've been known for in the industry. So choose one thing to be known for based on your insights and analytics, and then let some things be on the back end as upsells that you do privately with these clients. And now the key to upselling them, again, this is going to be the next phase, and I preach this all the time, is email marketing. So these upsells, it's not this kind of thing where, I don't know, whatever you think about upsells. And let me give you a definition for an upsell. An upsell is basically when somebody is already working with your business, but they decide to get another offer that's higher in worth, or if it's a downsell, another offer that's lower in worth. But either of these are good for your business because it brings in revenue, right? So for me, these usually happen via email marketing, okay? And so with email marketing, the mindset isn't just, I want to sell the first offer, but how can I continue to give my clients what they need, continue to give them educational content, continue to show them omni-channel marketing in my case. In your case, it'll be different. If you're a tax relief firm, a finance firm, how can I continue this conversation to loop them into other areas of my business, okay? And then speaking to B2B buyer needs, right? The B2B buyer is a very specific person. They have X amount in revenue. Work that out in your firm based on your own data and analytics, based on your average cost per lead, or based on the average worth of your clients. So max that out over 12 months, see what the average is, X amount in revenue. Then experiencing team burnout, right? People that manage a team have an established business, even if it's a small team of 3 people, right? Think about that, talking about different stuff with hiring a team and what goes into that. Diversifying, established business owners, your B2B buyers that you want to work with, that have the budget to work with you. They want to diversify. That's why they're coming to you. And from a finance standpoint, they're getting to a place in their business where they know they need financial management. They can't keep winging it on their own. Okay, they can't keep winging it with their bookkeeping. They don't want to, and it's becoming risky to the point that they feel like, wow, I'm like walking on ice. So that's why they need you. Okay, that's just some free game right there. And then retreats and travel. Established business owners aren't so much focused on keep scaling to infinity. They actually want to free up their time. And so if you can free up their time and make them more money, it's a win-win situation. And I know that you have that knowledge and that expertise as a finance founder. So why not just hit the link in my bio at Tiffy G Wright so I can help you free up more of your time so that you can go on retreats and continue your finance education and expand in other areas. We are in the longevity era. I invite you to experience yours. Talk soon.